Yeah, this is a very common error, I tell you. So just click OK on screen there. Once you do that, I want you to locate two folders. First one is where you did the extraction of SolidWorks. Once you locate it, go to a folder called Solid Scope. There it is. Second folder, again, go to where you did the installation of SolidWorks. Usually it is drive C, and then program files. But in my case, I did installation on drive D, so I'll go to drive D. Then I also created a folder called program files. Then you can see I have SolidScope there. Once you locate those two folders, on the folder where you did the extraction, go to the SolidScope folder and open it. Once you open it, just copy all the contents of the SolidScope in the extraction folder. Copy them, then come and paste them on your installation folder. That is usually drive C, program files, but in my case it is drive D, program files. Then remember to replace the file and the destination as always. That is the first step. The second step is go to Task Manager. Under Task Manager, just click details so that we can view the files we need here. We are looking for a file called SolidWorks fs.exe. Here it is. Right click on it, then end task, then finally end process. You can close the small window one if you are done doing that. Again, go to SolidWorks PDM, SolidWorks PDM folder. Here we are looking for a file called stored procs. Once you locate it, go ahead and rename it. Leave the existing name, but at the end of the name just add .bak. At the end of the existing name, add .bak. Then move to the last step. Go to where you did the extraction of SolidWorks. Then locate the file called Load Enabler. Right click on it. Then go with the option of Open. This will add the registry keys to your computer. Just click OK to confirm your selection. If you are done, then now go ahead and launch SolidWorks. We should not have any error at this point, but in case you do, then you can let me know on the comment section. As always, again, you can reach me out directly through the email I'm going to add it to the description of this video as well, so you can reach me out directly. As you can see, we don't have any error. The launch is successful. The error is usually very common, and finally I want us to check whether we have a standard version of SolidWorks or we have a premium version of SolidWorks. But before we do that, remember to subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, and also it helps the channel to reach bigger audience as well. So subscription is a good gesture. Go to help button. Under help button, we are going to click on about SolidWorks. So you can see we have a premium version of SolidWorks, not the standard version. So let's catch up the next video. Thanks for watching.